In this lesson, we're going to calculate the area of geometric figures. The first one is the area of this rectangle. As you can see, it says it's 29.5 long and 13.6 wide. So on our calculator, we would just multiply those two together, 29.5 times 13.6, and we would get 401.2. Next one. Find the area of this figure. What I would like you to do is to think of it as two separate figures. You've got a rectangle, and the area of the rectangle, well, this is 29.2 by 10.5, so it's 29.2 times 10.5, subtract the area of the triangle up above. The area of the triangle is 1/2 base, which is 29.2, times the height, 1.4. So on our calculator, we would just put in those figures, 29.2 times 10.5 times 1/2 times 29, whoa, not times 1/2, it's minus 1/2 times 29.2 times 1.4, and we get 286.16. Ooh, that's way different than what the answer book says it is. Oh, that's because we had 29.2. I'm going to go back up here and change it to what it should be. It should be 29.9 here and 29.9. Okay. That's where I made the mistake, 293.02. Next one. Find the area of the triangle. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we would take 1/2 times base, which is 22.3, times height, which is 14.9, and we get 166.135. Next one, same kind of a thing. 1/2 times base, 25.3, times height, and we get, and we get 183.425. Find the area of a triangle with the base and the height so you can know how to do that. Square, next one. A square, all we need to do is to just take the 21.7 times 21.7 or square it. And that's where the word square comes in. It's the area of a square, and you get 470.89. Find the area of a square with a side and so on. All right, next one, area of a circle, pi times radius squared. Now it says use the pi key on your calculator, and that's usually where people go wrong, is they use 3.14 rather than the pi key, times 8.4 squared is 221.67. Next one, find the area of the green shaded part of the figure. Okay, so the green shaded part, since the side of this square is 15.6, then the radius of the circle is half that. 15.6 divided by 2 is 7.8. So we're going to take the area of the square, subtract the area of the circle, and that'll be the green portion. 15.6 squared minus the circle, which is pi, times radius squared, squared is 52.23. And that's how you do that one. Next. New carpeting is installed in the room, measuring 13.7 feet by 10.6 feet. Find the area in square yards. So we would take 13.7 times the width, 10.6, divided by, because it says there is 9 square feet in a square yard, so we're going to divide our answer by 9, and we get 16.14. How much artificial turf would you need? 134.3 times 70. Times 70 is 904 yards. If you have any questions, give me a call.